Hello and welcome to Hysoon Australia. In this video presentation we're going to show you basic operator usage of our most popular model being the HY380 with joystick control. The first step is that the operator will lower the platform ledge like so. Then insert and turn the electrical control key into the on position so that the electric current is live. And insert the key, increase some revs, pull the choke, turn the key. The right joystick controls the bucket. Pull the joystick to the right to lift the bucket, and move the joystick to the right to lower the bucket. If you pull it back, the bucket will raise. Push it forward to tilt down. The center lever controls the attachment, so in this case 4-in-1 bucket controlled by the center lever. And the joystick on the left controls forward, rearward, left and right movement of the machine, as our operator will now demonstrate. If you have any questions regarding the safe operating procedure of our machine, feel free to give us a call.